Are you tired of dealing with heavy, bulky chairs that are hard to handle? Get you a TCEK portable camping chair. All right, we got a little bit of a surprise this morning. We're going to review some camping chairs, some portable small camping chairs. TCEK have sent us these chairs for us to try, to review, to see how we like them. We're gonna test them out for you guys. They fold down into a small handheld pack. And this weekend, as we're reviewing them, we'll give you the actual dimensions of how well they fold down. And this is literally the first time I've ever opened this chair, so I have no knowledge on how to set it up, but it should be pretty easy. And I think the actual back of the chair will click a second time. They simply just click out. You've got your chair. Lightweight, portable, and complete swivel is what it's supposed to have. So we're gonna check these chairs out for you this weekend. We have two of them, one for me, one for Trina. We're gonna show you how well they work in a beach setting while camping. So you watched us unbox these. Like I said, we have two of them. When I unboxed this one, it literally was the first time ever seeing these chairs, ever opening these chairs, and I knew absolutely nothing about it. But it's just that simple. I didn't even need the directions. These chairs are super portable, super light. They weigh nothing, and compact. But after we've had them out for a minute, this is Trina's. She opted to get the blue one. Even the straps, you can Velcro them together, and then it has a little pocket. Once I get it open, you can tuck it away in the pocket. Literally just folds open. Just that simple. Those are spring loaded, so even when you close them, you open it up, just that simple. Snap them out. And again, the back legs have additional snaps, just so it's a little bit longer. And it's done. Like I said here, the strap has a little pocket here. You just slide this in the pocket and out of the way, and you're set up and ready to go. Super lightweight, and it has a full 360 spin. You can sit up straight if you're doing something. You can actually lay back and recline back. Simple design, lightweight. It even has a mesh here, I guess, if it gets wet. We're gonna test that out this weekend and see while we're here at the beach. And what I like about them is they come in this little pack. Fold it back down, stick it back in the pack, take it with you wherever you go. You can hike with it, you can go on the beach with it. We're probably gonna take ours on our motorcycles with us a little bit. Super portable and lightweight. Again, you see how quickly we set this thing up. It also, this compartment on the side where I put the Velcro strap, your carrying case can be rolled up and packed away inside there as well. Just out of the way so you don't lose it. You see how quickly I set this chair up. It takes no time. There's no extra poles, no extra stakes, anything to, you know, to have to put together. It's literally just out the bag and snap it in place. It's got durable rubber on the bottom, anti-slip rubber to keep you from sliding. This stuff is built out of aircraft grade aluminum, which is supposed to be anti-rust. Like I said about the nylon here, it's the netting so that if water does get in and it drips through, it is tear proof and waterproof. So they're supposed to be super durable. And you can recline back, they're comfortable. They spin with ease. No problems whatsoever. But we're gonna really test these things for you. We're gonna put them to the test. I'm gonna pack this one back down, show you how easy it is to pack it back up, and we're gonna take these out for some adventures. It packs down to a size of about 13.7 inches tall by 3.5 square, and only weighs about 3.5 pounds. So just to hold it in place, flip it over. Super easy to pack it back down. Closes off. TCEK. These chairs pack up so small, you can fit them in your saddlebags on your motorcycle like me. Or you could probably put them in your backpack for a hike. With ease. The versatility of these chairs are great. You can take them with you anywhere, even to the middle of a desert.
We brought our TCEK chairs and actually had them setting up on the ridge here at Jockey's Ridge.
So we've had the opportunity to review and test these TCEK Swivel Camping Chairs. And man, I honestly thought when we first got them, I thought they were going to be cheap or too lightweight. They're actually great. We love them. We've had multiple different types of chairs. We've had the long, tall chair in a bag. We've had the big, fancy camping chairs that you have to zip out. We've had the rocking chairs, all of which were good chairs, but for camping and be able to take along with you on hikes, or to be able to throw them in a small truck bed camper compartment. These chairs are great. We really like these chairs. They pack down to a small, compact size. It's only 13.5 inches tall, basically 2 of my hands, by 3.5 by 3.5. They're super small, lightweight, portable. You can take with you anywhere. It only weighs about 3.5 pounds. We've carried them along with us on hikes. Just easy to use. Also, when you get it set up, they're really comfortable. They're really comfortable. You can swivel 360 degrees, so you have a view in any direction. And they swivel with ease. These chairs can be unpacked and set up with 3 easy steps in about 8 seconds. And man, they're built pretty durable too. They're built out of high-grade aircraft aluminum, super durable. The fabric is actually tear-resistant, waterproof nylon. The feet have slip-resistant rubber. And they simply click out. The netting allows it to drain water if it gets wet. It's waterproof nylon to prevent mildew and mold. It has double stitching. If you want to check these chairs out, we'll put the link in the description below to TCEK's website. That's TCEK.com. Go to our link below in the description to get your TCEK chair. We'll have an affiliate link to Amazon. You can use the exclusive discount code to get a discount on these chairs. They come in black, blue, green, and red.